All nonprofit leaders must report donations to their nonprofit organizations each and every year, and it does not matter how small the donations may be. You must still report donations. You use the Form 990 information return, which is the official document the IRS requires each nonprofit organization to use to report donations or any other financial transactions to the IRS. There are different types of Form 990s. There are 5: the Form 990, the Form 990EZ, the Form 990N, the Form 990T, and the Form 990PF. And I'll share briefly when you should use each one of these types of Form 990s. The Form 990 is used when revenues are $250,000 and over and assets are $500,000 and over. That's the Form 990 that you should submit to report revenues that could be in the form of donations, grants, fundraising activities, or whatever, but this is what you use. Now, the Form 990EZ is used when you generate revenues between $50,000 and $199,000. The Form 990N is when you generate $0 to $49,999. That's a Form 990N. It doesn't matter how many assets you have for that one. Okay? That's the Form 990N. If you have a private foundation, then you use the Form 990PF. Private foundations are not charitable organizations. They are private foundations. So if that's how you set up your nonprofit, then that's the Form 990 that you use. The Form 990PF for private foundations. If you generated too much unrelated business income, then you would have to use the Form 990T. The Form 990T is what you use to report unrelated business income in which you have to pay taxes. You never want to be in that category. If you need help with the Form 990N ePostcard, meaning you generated $50,000 or less, scan this QR code and I can help you file that one. That's the only one that I file, the Form 990N. I've been filing it for people since 2010. Demonstrating financial transparency is critical to nonprofit success. And the way you demonstrate financial transparency is by submitting the appropriate Form 990 information returns each and every year. Again, if you need help with the Form 990N, scan this QR code and I will complete the Form 990N for you. The deadline is May 15th, 2025. Don't wait. Don't risk losing your status.